Seeing it?
Yes, coming here.
Yeah, this is the existing distribution board that we are using for our non-UPS loads. And if you see these RCBs and MCBs, normally 100 milliamps RCBs are used for lighting feeders, and 30 milliamps feeders are used for socket outlet feeders. But here, I don't think, is it a socket outlet, or I don't think it is a lighting feeder or a socket outlet feeder. But our engineering design guidelines, 1 minute, RCCB, socket outlet shall be provided with earth leakage circuit breakers, 30 milliamps, so and so rating. This is what I can see from.
It is there. It is there. RCCB is there.
Yeah, this is
So
for
we can
the
keep it.
socket outlets.
But
If you want,
Chairman,
if it is
Chairman,
required,
just,
then we can provide it. Yeah.
If you allow me, I can just put my point here. See, this is just an analyzer which is not relevant, similar to a lighting or a socket load actually. So generally in ADNOC onshore for our analyzer, we will never give ELCB circuit as a feeder for that. It will be fed from the normal MCB only. That's what I was explained earlier. ELCB and earth leakage circuit breakers will be generally provided for the small power requirement of lighting, as well as the socket outlets which we are plug in, plug out some small power requirement we will use. So that is a general practice actually. If it is recommended as a strict requirement for the ELCB, then we need to think about it. But for analyzer in general, we will never give ELCBs.
Yeah, that's okay. Actually, normally ELCB is provided for
and
hand,
it could
hand
cause also nuisance tripping. We don't want anything like that. For such kind of equipment. If you think that it is mandatory, then we can think about it.
No. Actually, as per the requirement, if operator or maintenance people are going to handheld, so normally handheld equipment should be having the ELCB, and for fixed equipment should be MCB. MCB is okay. So there was a little gap. So thank you very much for clarifying, and we are happy. No problem. We are happy.
Okay.
Because you have earthing bonding is there in case of any leakage. Earthing bonding will take care.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so it shall be MCB only. It is not with ELCB. We can close this point as it's MCB supplied as per the existing DB requirement.
So I am putting only a MCB. So no worries. I am putting only MCB. No problem.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. So with this, we have seen all our, guide words. There are total 6 recommendations. If you have any questions, let me know, or else I will invite our friend Faizan to join the NVID. So this is now 11. So we can go for break. At what time, Sudeep, we are starting NVID?
We'll start at 11:15, Chairman. 11:30 we'll start at. We'll start at 11:30. Is that okay? 11:15 is fine.
Okay.
Okay. So I will inform my colleague accordingly. Thank you very much.
11:15.
Yes, Mr. Rakesh, if you